Here we have an example of the difference between uniform pricing and perfect price discrimination for a monopoly. So we have a firm that has a marginal cost of $2. So that's constant here at 2. And we have a demand curve for this firm, 20 minus Q. So again, our goal here is to compare uniform pricing or a single price monopoly to perfect price discrimination. If the monopoly can set a single price, then they will maximize profit by setting marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. And since we have linear demand, I know that means 20 minus 2Q is equal to 2. So Q will be equal to 9. And P will be equal to 11. So then I can calculate for this firm consumer surplus and producer surplus with uniform pricing. So here, consumer surplus would be $40.50. Producer surplus would be $81. And total surplus would be the sum of those areas, giving us $121.50. With perfect price discrimination, the firm will be able to sell to a larger number of customers and earn more profit, since lowering the price for the lower willingness to pay customers does not require them to lower the price for the high willingness to pay customers. So here, the firm will continue to sell as long as they can charge a higher price than marginal cost, getting us to the socially optimal quantity. In this case, that's 18. Prices will be equal to all of the prices along the demand curve, and producer surplus will be equivalent to total surplus, which will be 1/2 times 18 times 18, which gives us 162. So higher total surplus than with single price monopoly or with uniform pricing, as these customers with a lower willingness to pay are still allowed to purchase the product. Now, consumers are getting no surplus because every consumer is paying exactly what they value the product, right? So consumers are not getting any surplus, but everybody who wants to buy the product can buy the product. And that means that deadweight loss is equal to 0. So when we think about price discrimination, it increases access to the product for consumers. Even though it doesn't increase surplus for them, it does increase access. It also increases profits for the firm, leading to a general overall increase in surplus.